All right, this is at our 2900 Chamblee Tunker Road location. This is going to be another way to get into the building. You come along here. This is actually the second floor. This is a 3-story building. Come right along here to the door. Go ahead and enter the code on that keypad that was sent to you in the confirmation email. You then can enter. We're below here because this is the second floor. Gonna come right around. Gonna go down the stairs. And you're gonna look for 100C, which is CPR Lifeline. You're gonna go ahead and input that code, the suite door code that was given to you. And then come on in. You input your information into the RQI computer here with your sign-on and password to start your skills check with the mannequins. Once you're completed that skills check, go ahead and if you can wipe the mannequin off with the provided wipes just to make sure it's nice and clean for the next student that comes in, greatly appreciate it. Besides there, have a great rest of your day. Thank you.